In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to a signature in Gmail. Customizing your email signature by adding an image can really make your emails stand out, giving them a bit of a personal or professional touch, depending on what you're aiming for. Now, let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Gmail. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. Click on this to open a drop-down menu. From there, select See All Settings. This is where you can adjust a multitude of settings to personalize your Gmail experience. It's helpful to know your way around here, as Gmail offers numerous customization options that can enhance your emailing experience. Next, you'll want to locate the General tab across the top. This is often already selected by default, so you may not need to click anything. Scroll down until you see the Signature section. If you don't already have a signature set up, you'll see a box that says Create New. Click on it, and a small window will pop up, prompting you to name your signature. This is particularly useful if you plan on having multiple signatures for different types of emails. Once you've named your signature, it's time to create it. In the larger text box to the right, you can type whatever text you want as your signature. Below this text box is a small toolbar, the same one you see when composing any email. Here, you'll find an icon that resembles a picture. Click on this to insert an image into your signature. Now, there are a few options for adding an image. If the image is already uploaded to your computer, you can simply drag and drop the file into the upload box, or click Upload to browse your files and make your selection. Alternatively, if the image is online, select the Web Address URL tab and paste the URL of the image there. Make sure the URL links directly to the image file itself, otherwise, it may not display properly. Once your image is uploaded, it may be too big. Don't worry, Gmail provides a feature to resize it right in the signature editor. Click on the image in your signature and choose the size from small, medium, large, or even original size. Most people find medium to be a good balance between visibility and space. Finally, to ensure your signature appears on new emails and replies, look just below the signature editor. You'll see options to select your new signature for both new email use and on replied or forwarded emails. Once that's set, be sure to hit Save Changes at the bottom of the page. And there you have it, a personalized email signature with your chosen image that will automatically feature in your future communications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if you found this tutorial helpful. See you next time.